field of genetics began with Gregor Mendel, the father of genetics. His groundbreaking experiments on pea plants revealed the laws that explain how traits are inherited. Today, let's explore the three fundamental laws of genetics and their significance. So first, we have the law of segregation. Mendel observed that traits are determined by alleles, which are different forms of a gene. During gamete formation, thanks to meiosis, these alleles segregate so that each gamete carries only one. Let's break it down. Imagine a single cell with a pair of alleles, C and C for skin color. As meiosis occurs, this allele separates into different gametes. The result? 4 cells carry 2 Cs and 2 carrying Cs. This law explains how offspring inherit traits from their parents, ensuring genetic variety. So next is the law of independent assortment. This law shows how genes for different traits like height, color, and shape assorts independently during gamete formations. Here's the key. During meiosis, chromosomes align randomly on the metaphase plate. This randomness means there's no fixed pattern for how alleles pair up. For example, the dominant allele A could combine with either B or B, creating endless combinations. This explains why siblings can inherit different traits, making each of us genetically unique. It's all about the beauty of randomness in nature. Finally, let's look at the law of dominance. This law explains why some traits appear more often than others. Mendel discovered that certain alleles are dominant, meaning they mask the presence of recessive alleles. For example, when a tall plant crosses with a dwarf plant, the offspring in the first generation are all tall. Why? Because the dominant allele overshadows the recessive allele even if an organism has just one dominant allele. The dominant trait will be expressed. This law helps us understand why traits like eye color, hair type, or even genetic conditions manifest the way they do. So there we have it, Mendel's 3 laws: segregation, independent assortment, and dominance are the keys to understanding how traits are passed down through generations. Thanks to his work, we now have a clearer picture of the genetic blueprint that makes us who we are. If you enjoyed